So now we will discuss about shock index. Shock index, so you can see the slide here as well. So we will get back to the slide, but we will like to discuss it first. So shock index, right? So shock index is actually heart rate by systolic blood pressure, and when shock index is more than equals to 0.9, it suggests that the mortality rate is high mortality rate. So this is the importance of shock index, right? It's an important topic. Now we will see some shock indexes. Like one is rope. Rope is, just remember the name and the formula because it is important from the changing, from the view of the changing exam pattern. This remains important topic, right? So rope is rate over pressure difference, right? So rope is rate over pressure difference. It is equals to pulse rate by systolic blood pressure minus diastolic blood pressure, right? So if rope is less than 3, the person is said to be stable. If it is more than 3, then the person is said to be in decompensated shock. We will revise all points later. So we will continue with our shock indexes, and our next shock index is your modified shock index. Modified shock index, also known as MSI. So it is equals to heart rate by mean arterial pressure. And also remember that of the 3 mentioned shock indexes, this is the most sensitive one. Most sensitive shock index, right? So we will revise all the points. That shock index is heart rate by systolic blood pressure. Shock index more than 0.9 indicates high mortality rate. Another shock index is our rope. Rope is rate over pressure difference, and rope is equals to pulse rate by systolic blood pressure minus diastolic blood pressure. When rope is less than 3, the person is said to be stable. More than 3, decompensated shock. Another shock index is modified shock index, or MSI. Is the most sensitive, and it is equals to heart rate by mean arterial pressure. Coming back to the slide, they mentioned in general, right, shock index to mortality rates. Just when there is no shock, where shock index is less than 0.6, right? Mild shock 0.6 to 0.10, moderate shock 1 to 1.4, severe shock more than 1.4. As I already mentioned, that when shock index is more than equals to 0.9, it indicates that the mortality rate is high, increased mortality rate. Right? So I think shock index is clear from this video. Next topic, we will learn about different named incisions and margins of tumors, right? So we will meet in our next session, right? Thank you.